Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. Now it's a 1 litre TSI SE and it's 95 PS. The car's a beauty and it has a really good spec, including an anti-lock braking system, hill hold control, brake assist, rear tinted windows, an automatic post-collision braking system, a driver alert system, along with these 15-inch Salou alloy wheels. Now, moving on to the boot, it's a good size and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay, a multimedia interface and a colour touchscreen. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.